Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Prime Minister orders administrative steps to bring down prices of essential items. Prime Minister Imran Khan has issued directives to take administrative steps necessary to bring down prices of essential items. Abducted woman waves hand from the car boot rescued. 2 people were arrested after a woman found with stab wounds in the boot of a car in Australia's New South Wales state. Girl dies from heart attack halfway down water slide. A girl suffered a heart attack while going down a water slide at US Park. Indian official mistakenly drinks hand sanitizer, video goes viral. Sanitizers are used for external use to avoid coming into contact with COVID-19. However, one Indian official mistakenly drank it while considering it a bottle of water during a public meeting. How to unlock your iPhone while wearing mask. Apple learns new ways. Apple is testing out a feature to fix a problem that's become commonplace these days, unlocking your iPhone while wearing a face mask. Islamabad car crash. 2 traffic cops fined for being absent. 2 traffic cops have been fined for being absent from duty on the night of Monday, when 4 people were killed in a Srinagar highway car crash involving federal ombudswoman Kashmala Tariq's son. Mexico says 5 of dead in US poultry plant incident were Mexicans. TikTok agrees to block users after girl dies. The popular video app TikTok said it had agreed with Italian authorities to block all users who gave their age as under 13, among other measures, after the death of 10-year-old girl was blamed on a breath-holding social media challenges. SpaceX puts in orbit another 60 Starlink satellites launched aboard a Falcon 9 booster.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.